In this video, you will learn how to install Plotly library in the Visual Studio Code Editor. And do hit the like button if you find this video useful. Now the prerequisite for this installation is that you need to have this Visual Studio Code and the Python installed into your system. And if you do not have the Python installed already into your system, then I have already created a separate video for that, and you would find the link of that video in the description below. So once we have the Visual Studio and Python installed, we will open that Python project in the Visual Studio Code for which we want to install Plotly library. And for that we will click on this file here, then click on open, and now we will navigate to the location where our project is present. So for me it is present inside the downloads folder, so I will go to this downloads, then projects, and I will select this Plotly project here. Now finally I will click on this open. Now before installing Plotly, we will create a virtual environment for this opened project, because it is recommended to have a separate virtual environment for each of the Python project. So we will also create the virtual environment first, and after that only we will install the Plotly library inside the created virtual environment. But in case you already have the virtual environment created for your project, then you can skip the creation part here and directly activate that, and after that you can install the Plotly library inside that activated environment. Now to create the virtual environment, first we will open the terminal, and for that we will click on this terminal, then select this new terminal here. Now in this terminal we will type Python 3 space -m -v, and now we will give the name of the environment which we want to create. So let's say it is myenv. So this is the command for Mac system, and in case you are using Windows, then you would see the command on screen. And now we will hit enter to execute this particular command. And once this command is executed successfully, we will have this myenv folder created inside our project folder. And this myenv will have all the necessary libraries and scripts in it. Now we will activate this created environment, and for that we will write source space then myenv /bin/activate. So again this command is for Mac OS, but in case you are using Windows, then you would see the command on screen. Now we will hit enter, and as soon as this command is executed, we will see this myenv written in these brackets, which is the indication that this particular environment is currently active now. So now finally we will install the Plotly library in this activated virtual environment, and for that we will type pip3 space install Plotly. And once this is installed, we will see this message here, successfully installed, which means the Plotly library is installed now. So now to verify the installation, let's print all the libraries that are currently installed in the current activated environment. So let me first clear the terminal so that it would be better visible to you. Now we will run this command, which is pip space list. So this will list down all the packages which are installed in the current activated environment. And here we will see this Plotly library also, which has this particular version. And now we will write a small Python script which will verify whether this Plotly library is installed properly or not. So first we will create a Python file, and for that we will click on this new file icon here. And now we will give the name of the file. So let's say it is main.py. So this main.py is created inside this Plotly project folder. And now in this file, first we will import this Plotly module. So we will write import then Plotly, and also we will print the version of this Plotly. So we will say print then Plotly dot __ version __. Let's now save this file using command and S. And now to run this program, in terminal we will type Python space, and now we will give the name of the file, which is main.py for us, and let's hit enter now. So here in the output we did not get any error, and we got this version of Plotly which is the same as this one. So the Plotly library is installed properly, and we can use this for our Python projects now. So now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you, and make sure to hit the like button.